everyone, we are going to present about great invention of recycled plastic and polythene. Let's have a look. Every year, million metric tons of plastic and polythene waste end up in environment. The damage of the environment caused by this plastic and polythene cannot be underestimated.
Yes, Ruvini, that is right. Over 400 million megatons of polythene and plastic waste generated every year, and 8 to 14% of million megatons of plastic and polythene are also enter to the ocean as well. 15% of this polythene and plastic wastage mostly use single usage like bags, polythene and packaging. And other things is microplastic, industrial and agricultural plastics.
What are the environment impact of the plastic waste?
Millions of marine animals are killed annually by plastic waste. 90% of microplastics are found in table salts and even in deep sea creatures.
Also, microplastics are found 83% of tap water samples. Recent studies detected microplastic in human blood and lung tissue with unknown long-term effects. Plastic patches have generated in the ocean. Burning plastic emits toxic gases and contributing to air pollution and respiratory diseases.
Transforming this plastic and polythene waste to a new product will create considerable value. This is the invention what you are most awaited to see.
Recycling plastic and polythene and making new products from it is a very valuable thing. We met this valuable person from Polona. We went to meet him. He is Ishan Bandara.
Our inventor of this recycle interlock blocks with us today, Mr. Ishan Bandara. Good evening, Mr. Ishan.
Good evening.
Good evening, Ishan.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to ask from you, who is Ishan Bandara?
Ishan Bandara. Ishan Bandara was born rural village called Madudam and completed my primary education at Attanakadavala Mahavidyalaya and graduate from Ovellasa University.
Okay, Mr. Ishan, how this great invention came on your mind?
This idea first come to my mind while conducting various experiments to find a solution to the wastage polythene and plastic that caused to the Meethotamulla garbage dump to collapse.
Okay, Mr. Bandara. My next question is, how do you made by this interlock blocks by using waste, polythene and plastic?
I first made this by melting wastage polythene and plastic in a pan, adding the filling material to it, putting that material in a mold and cooling it.
Okay, Mr. Ishan, how do you recommend the strength of this interlock block?
The basic properties of this were measured in the research laboratory of Ovellasa University, and the values show they were high than those of normal concrete block.
Okay, my last question is, what are the environmental contribution for sustainable development of this product?
Creating interlocks used in wastage plastic polythene contributes to sustainable development by promoting waste reduction and resource reuse. This process helps divided non-biodegradable plastic from landfilling and environment reducing pollution. Additionally, it encourages innovative recycling plastics and supports to the creation of durable construction materials, contributing to an eco-friendly infrastructure development.
Actually, it is very great invention, Ranjan. So, thank you, Mr. Ishan Bandara, joining with us today for contributing to valuable time. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you very much.
The world is trying various methods to overcome plastic and polythene challenge. With discoveries like this, we can reach the goal very soon. It is possible with inventors like Ishan. We need to motivate such discoveries. It will protect our environment to our next generation. It is our responsibility.